Is it a leave out? Is it a leave out? No, it's a wig. I look so cute, like, oh my god. Oh my god. Girl, since when did you look this cute? You know what that's called? It's called post fuck boy glow. How about that? Wow. OG. OG.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where you at? What you doing? That's the first thing she asks when she calls my phone. When are you coming round? Cause I'm feeling all alone. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Cause right now I'm in my zone. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Cause right now I'm in my zone. Oh girl, I've been busy on the roads, tryna stack them notes. Even though I'm in the studio with my bros. Right now I'm too busy chasing dough. I keep getting told down due to blow, so I've gotta make.
It's Lisa Mapsy, it's slick with it, it's ooh, hair tutorial, like ooh, stay slick with it. And I'm back again with another video. Today I had to come back with the tutorial because I feel like you guys haven't seen me slay the frontal in a long time, and everyone kept asking me if this was leave out, and I was like, no. It's that wig. I thought, well, I'm just gonna let you guys know how I make the lace melt, how I get to like match my skin, how I get rid of flyaways, how I keep the rise here, like you know that little, how I do the baby hair, basically everything. And I made this with myself. Okay. I've never had straight hair before. It's always body wave, then I straighten it, or you know, loose wave, then I straighten it. So this hair has done really well. Like I've had this for a couple of months now, and whenever I wear it on Insta, Snaps, real life, live in the flesh, live up, everyone's always like, sheesh, like, where did you get that hair from? And I'm like, it's Nadula, like, it's really Nadula. Nadula really be the plug though. And Nadula is a very affordable hair company, so if you guys are looking for prom hair, whatever hair, wedding hair, summer hair, you know, summer, you gotta stack up on the bundles. I'm gonna put all the links in the description box. But yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hey! Okay guys, so underneath my wigs I usually braid my hair like this, and I always apply my MSB scalp treatment maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Yes guys, this has been helping my hair grow really well. So yeah, we're just gonna put it in like this.
Right now I'm in my zone. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Cause right now I'm in my zone. Oh girl, I've been busy on the roads, tryna stack them notes. Even though I'm in the studio with my bros. Right now I'm too busy chasing dough. I keep getting told down due to blow, so I've gotta make bangers so I can get shows. I see missed calls from.
I'm gonna use this wig cap so it matches the color of my skin. Well, almost. And then the wig, yeah, so from here is pretty self-explanatory. I just tie it up, and you guys already know how I lay my frontal. In this video I filmed me doing one half of the wig, like one side, because it'd be a bit long to like put it both in. So I mix my got to be glued, and I put a thin layer, and I blow dry it till it's tacky, and then once that's blow dried I go in with the freeze spray, and then wait till that's tacky, and then literally just lay down my frontal, tie the little headscarf around, and I'll be back once I beat my face. I'm gonna let you watch the process.
I ain't on the long term. I be at your hustle. Stop for the rushes. Got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, I don't like seeing you upset. I gotta keep working cause you know that I'm up next. I'm so sorry that I can't be by your side right now at this time. I gotta stay on my grind. All of my niggas soon shine. Hey.
Right guys, so I'm back. My makeup is done. So now we're just gonna see what's been cooking. Okay, so I'm gonna do a simple side part, and this has really been coming on my Instagram. Like everyone was like, is that Levo? Is that Levo? Or is that your hair? And I was like, bitch, it's a wig. So the parting is kind of already there, but I'm just gonna show what I do anyway. I take this comb, a rat tail cut, I think that's what you call it. I really couldn't be asked for a voiceover, so I think I'm just gonna do it.
Oh no, hey baby girl, yeah, I'm missing your smile. Oh no, I'ma give you something. I ain't on the long term. I'll be at your.
That's the parting done. It really matches my skin. You can see that's why I like wearing the wig cap. That's like the lighter colour brown. I think that's good. We're probably gonna go over with a little bit of concealer, like towards the end. I'm gonna go in with water. So I'm gonna spray the toothbrush with water, and that basically, the water on the toothbrush basically helps like soften hair, because you don't want to go straight in with like edge control or like got to be glued. Like you don't want to do that.
Yeah, it's gonna be feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's gonna be feeling like. What you doing? That's the first one she up.
So I've got the Milan Sky Beauty Maximum Hold Edge Control. Create your sleep. Obviously on Instagram. So basically I really look up to her a lot. You guys make sure you check her out. I think her Instagram, I'm definitely gonna put it in the description box. She's literally stocked up on the MSG scalp treatment that I've been using, that you guys have been asking about, and now she's got edge control that is out as well. And I used this on my natural hair, and guys, I've got like 4B, 4C hair, and those edges did move. So imagine what it's gonna be like on this layer, if you know what I'm saying. So the concept is really nice as well. Like you can tell that ain't going on. So we're just gonna go in, do these edges.
I ain't got time to chill, I gotta move.
Yeah, my hairline is quite far forward, so obviously I don't want it to look like I've just dragged my wig all the way to the front, like looking like one helmet. You see what I'm doing? This one here, because I like this little baby hair here. That's what we do. You see?
I be at your hustle. Stop with the rushing. I'ma give you something. I ain't on the long term. I be at your hustle. Stop with the rushing. Got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's got me feeling like.
Okay guys, so I'm also going to use some mousse. I'm going to put this on top of my edges and on the list. This just helps it to like sit better. And I'm also going to put this to create that sort of, I don't know what you call it, like a rise, the little hill. That anyway, I'm going to show you what it looks like. I don't actually pat so I don't pat it in, I just sort of leave it on top of there.
Hey, I can't afford to waste my time.
And with this comb and the mousse, I'm just going to go like this. Can you guys see what I'm doing? And once I've done that, I'm going to brush through it. So I'll be back once this is like sort of dried down and I'm putting the concealer on. Okay, so it's basically drying now. I go in with concealer, not too much, you just want to take the excess off the brush.
Facing a while, oh no. Hey baby girl, yeah, I'm missing your smile. Oh.
See that? Yeah. This is the reality of like lace frontals, right? I don't like lying to you guys and like being like, oh my gosh, like just practice and you'll be able to do it like me, because listen, it takes time, like it does, and it takes effort, and sometimes you just don't have it in you. What I like to do is I like to hold this bit and push my hair I'm just gonna hold it. So a trick to make your hair not too bulky is by brushing this bit back and then putting mousse on it. So basically the hair's now like that, right? And it's quite, the mousse helps it like flatten down. When you put this bit over it, see what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Where you at, what you doing? That's the first when she asks when she calls my phone. When are you coming round? Cause I'm feeling all alone. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Cause right now I'm in my zone. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Cause right now I'm in my zone. Oh girl, I've been busy on the roads, tryna stack them notes. Either down in the studio with my bros. Right now I'm too busy chasing dough. I keep getting told down due to blow, so I've gotta make back.